Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing the follow-up questions for the Cue card. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place away from home that you want to visit in future. So the first question is, where do people love to go on holidays or vacations? In my opinion, people like to go to diverse holiday destinations as they are drawn by the allure of picturesque landscapes, historical landmarks, or vibrant cityscapes. So diverse means different or various. Allure means attraction. Picturesque means beautiful. Historical landmarks, that means if there is some kind of a historical monument that is of importance in that place. For example, Taj Mahal is often the historical landmark of the city of Agra. People love to go to serene beaches, majestic mountains, or bustling urban centers. Serene means calm, majestic means tall and mighty. So instead of using common words, we are actually using some good vocabulary words, and all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. It is actually a good idea to write the meanings of the words as I am saying, so that when you are trying to do your speaking practice, you can use some of these or at least try to use them while you are practicing your speaking. And this will greatly help you during your exam time. I have actually seen students going up from band 6 to band 8 when they are using some different type of phrases and vocabulary. Or bustling urban centers. So bustling means which is quite busy or crowded. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. So the second question is, how does tourism lead to cultural exchange? According to me, tourism serves as a catalyst for cultural exchange by fostering interactions between visitors and locals. Catalyst means something that speeds up something. So if you are from a science background, you must be knowing what a catalyst is. It is actually added to a reaction to increase the speed of the reaction. And when we are using it here in this sentence, it simply means to speed up or to promote. Through tourism, tourists are able to see new cultures which enriches their personal experiences and also helps them to understand the local community. So what it means is that obviously if you are going as a tourist to some place, you will be exchanging ideas with the local community or the local people who are there, and that way you will get to know more about the tradition of that place, right? Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so the third question is, why do some people think it is enjoyable to stay at home on holidays? Now, this is a very interesting question, right? Usually, when you think of holidays, you always think about places that you can get away from home, right? But some people they like to stay at home also. Why can that be? Or what might be the reasons behind it? According to my perception, people, especially introverts, may find staying at home on holidays enjoyable because it provides a sense of comfort, relaxation, and a break from the usual routine. So, we have used a very good word here, which is introverts. Introverts are those kind of people who do not find it very easy to interact with other people. It's the opposite of extrovert. Extroverts are those who are quite outgoing and social. They love interacting with people, but introverts, they try to stay to themselves. They do not mingle with others. Moreover, it allows them to unwind in familiar surroundings and spend quality time with family or engage in personal activities. So familiar means something that you already know, known surroundings. something that you are already acquainted with. So the fourth question is, how do students who have taken a gap year differ from other students? Well, as a student, I feel that students who have taken a gap year often differ from their peers in terms of life experiences and maturity. This gap year can offer valuable insights which fosters independence and contributes to a more well-rounded perspective. Insights means information, fosters means promote, fosters independence, that means they become more independent. Maybe they try to learn new life skills, for example, maybe cooking or driving, so they do not have to depend on others for these basic skills. And this contributes to a well rounded, or you can say that it makes them an all rounder in layman terms. But we have to use some professional and better vocabulary phrases in our IELTS exam. But just to explain, it means it makes them like an all rounder because they try to develop new skills during that time. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.